Hi guys! Welcome back to another video, and in this video gusto ko lang i-share yung results or what happened after or during our Learn and Earn Forex Trading Education. We had a seminar last Saturday and gusto ko lang magpasalamat. I just want to thank you for all the people who attended. No, some people galing dito sa YouTube or from Facebook and TikTok, but there are some people na galing dito sa YouTube na pumunta physically sa event. So, thank you so much guys for coming to our Forex Trading Education. Wala pang Thursday, we had to close the registrations because we filled up 75 seats agad-agad. So, kwento ko lang no, what we were able to discuss, yung nabigay natin na value during the seminar was we were able to teach the basics, fundamentals, technical analysis, yung ating profitable na trading strategy. It's a perfect strategy, but I guarantee you it was a profitable strategy, proven and tested. And happy ako because a lot of traders, amateur and pro traders really appreciate it, no? And of course, ang pinaka gusto ko or yung pinaka highlight for me na nabigay nating value during the seminar was the risk management and trading psychology. For me, yun yung pinaka value um, na na-share ko because a lot of those traders, probably everyone also watching this video, naka-experience na ng sunog na account, na liquidate ang account, and that trading psychology or risk management na segment or part of the seminar was the eye opener or kumbaga it was another level of awareness to them or to some traders. I think that's the most important thing na nabigay natin outside of the trading strategy. So pinakauna is yung psychology, pangalawa is yung risk management, and third is yung strategy for me based on the importance or the value. Of course, gusto ko magpasalamat sa lahat ng coaches na nag-support sa atin. Thank you to the 75 traders, and most importantly, thank you to Vantage Markets, thank you to Profitech, because without you guys, hindi magiging libre yung event. Thank you for sponsoring the event. Thank you for making it possible. Of course, gusto ko ipakita. So here's the post-event edit of our Learn and Earn Forex Trading Education.